Give me a minute. It's about 4:20 in the morning. And, 4:20. If only it were that kind of 4:20. Um, and I'm here in Kyiv, and we're under an air alert. If you listen, you should be able to hear the sound of air defense. I can't film the explosions in the sky for fear of revealing the location of air defense units to the enemy. But I think you can hear the bangs. And that's the sound that we all hear pretty much every night. Every night. Right now, there will be first responders rushing to the scene. There will be terrified children in their beds or sleeping in the bathtubs for fear of the incoming munitions. This is the daily existence here in this major European capital that is under siege from the aggression of an autocratic neighbor. And make no mistake, the Russians don't just want Ukraine. They want it all. The thing about these people is that they will never be satisfied. Their appetites for power, for control, for money, for wealth, know no bounds. They are insatiable. The thing that you and I have that they will never know is we have enough. We have enough. And frankly, I think the world should have had enough of them and be willing to have the courage of our convictions to do what it takes to put a stop to this axis of evil that is Moscow, Pyongyang, Tehran, and Beijing.